If you have a low quality or blurry video and want to upscale it to 4K, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Filmora 15 AI Video Enhancer tools to improve video quality, enhance details, and increase the resolution of your footage. Welcome to Salih Tutorials. We'll work with 3 different clips and use a different AI enhancement method for each one, depending on the type of footage. So, let's see how to upscale low-quality video to 4K in Filmora 15 using AI. If you need Filmora 15, the download link is available in the description and pinned comment. So let's get started. First, we are inside Wondershare Filmora 15, and our media is already imported into the project media panel. Here we have 3 different clips. I'll select the outdoor clip to preview it, and then add it to the timeline. I'll choose the option to match the project settings to the media so the project is based on the source video. Now I'll quickly preview the original footage before applying any enhancement. This gives us a reference for comparing the result later. Next, I'll select the clip and open the AI Video Enhancer. Filmora provides several AI models, including Enhance, Generative Enhance, AI Night View, and Topaz Starlight. The important thing is to choose the model according to the type of footage. For this outdoor clip, I'll use Generative Enhance. I'm choosing this option because the footage is normal daytime video, and our main goal is to improve fine details and clarity while preparing it for higher resolution output. I'll start the generation process and let Filmora analyze the footage. The processing time can vary depending on the clip and the selected AI model. Once the processing is complete, I'll preview the enhanced result and compare it with the original footage. The goal is to get a clearer and more detailed image while keeping the result natural. Now let's move to the second clip. I'll select the darker video showing the computer monitors and place it on the timeline. This footage is much darker than the first clip, with bright screens surrounded by dark areas. Because of these low light conditions, I'll use a different AI model instead of Generative Enhance. I'll open AI Video Enhancer and select AI Night View. This model is specifically designed for dark and low light footage, so it is a better choice for this clip. It can help improve visibility and recover more useful detail from darker areas of the image. I'll click Generate and let Filmora process the clip. Once the AI enhancement is complete, I'll preview the result and check the darker areas of the footage. This shows why choosing the right AI Video Enhancer is important. Increasing the resolution alone does not automatically make dark footage clearer. A model designed for low light video can produce a more suitable result. Now I'll move to the third clip, which is a vertical video. I'll select it from the media library and add it to the timeline. Because this clip is vertical, Filmora displays it with black space on both sides in the preview. I'll keep the existing project settings so we can continue working in the same project. With the vertical clip selected, I'll open AI Video Enhancer again. This time, I'll use the standard enhance option. I'm choosing this model because this clip does not require a specialized low light enhancement, so the general enhance option is a practical choice for improving its overall quality. I'll start the enhancement process and wait for Filmora to generate the result. Once it is complete, I'll preview the vertical footage. As you can see, the clip remains vertical. The AI enhancement improves the image quality without changing the original orientation, which is useful for phone recordings and other vertical videos. Now I'll return to the outdoor clip for some additional adjustments. Then I'll scroll down and enable Auto Enhance. Auto Enhance provides a simple way to strengthen the overall image without manually adjusting several controls. I'll reduce the amount from around 50 to around 30 so the enhancement remains natural and not overly processed. Next, I'll open the color controls and go to the basic settings. I'll scroll down, turn on Sharpen, and adjust the Sharpen slider. I'll keep the Sharpen value around 4. This adds a small amount of extra crispness to the footage after the AI enhancement without making the image look too harsh. Now I'll preview the outdoor clip again to check the final appearance. Once I'm happy with these adjustments, I'll right-click on the outdoor clip and choose Copy Effect. This copies the effect settings we just applied so they can be reused on another clip. Next, I'll select the vertical video, right-click it, open Effect Filter, and choose Paste. Filmora now applies the copied effect settings to the vertical clip. This is useful when you want multiple clips to have a consistent look. Instead of repeating the same Auto Enhance and Sharpen adjustments manually, you can copy them from one clip and apply them to another. I'll preview the vertical clip once again to check the result. And that's how you can upscale low-quality video to 4K in Filmora 15 using its AI Video Enhancer tools. We use different AI enhancement options to improve clarity, detail, and overall video quality based on the type of footage. I hope this Filmora 15 AI Video Enhancer tutorial was helpful and showed you how to make low-quality video clearer and more detailed. Thanks for watching Salih Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.